Indeed. Today we're gonna be doing a little prank, you feel me? We're gonna go grab a chicken, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put it in our little meal. We're gonna try and return it to the store, get a little few reactions. Yo, bro, I'm worried if I grab this one, right? Come here, nigga. I'm not gonna hurt you, nigga. Come here, 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 chicken nuggets. So we headed over to McDonald's right now. Apparently, Kai Cenat got this new meal called the Kai Cenat meal, and it got like a chicken Big Mac. Right here, there it is. Nah, that looks foul. Can I get 2 chicken Big Mac meals, please? All right, so me and my family put up to McDonald's. We're gonna be trying the Kai Cenat meal. It cost, how much it cost again? It be cost $15.61. Let's try it and rate it 1 to 10. Ugly dumb man, stupid ass dumb.
Chicken Big Mac.
Thank you so much. Chicken Big Mac. I ain't never seen a nigga open a door so gay before. Nigga said, ooh, them fries look sensual. Y'all want something in the back? Damn! Damn! Damn, they be far. They be far. So on a scale of sherbet to like 5, I'm rating that bit about 10 out of 10, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, they give me pickles. I'm sick. I ain't gonna lie, nigga. As a grown man, if you eat pickles, nigga, you deserve a prison sentence. I'm not gonna lie. Buzz down, roll it. Indeed. Oh, what the fluff?
Get that, send shots, make him get back. All that chit chat, riff rap, my niggas ain't into that. Nigga, we talking how he ain't
Indeed.
I got like 50 rounds up in this clip. If you acting like a dick, I said I'm moving like I'm Steven Vick.
Me and my guy, this Peter right here. Say what's up, Peter. Say what's up, Peter. Nigga. Say what's up to the camera, little nigga. Yeah, so we're about to go ahead and do the prank right now. We're about to bring him into the drive-thru. Hopefully, he's gonna come out as a 10-piece. You feel me? I think we can make a 10-piece out of him. Look at him. I feel like he don't got enough meat. Maybe a 4-piece. I'm gonna come eat the Kai Cenat Big Mac. Excuse me. So my Kai Cenat burger, it came out a little bit undercooked. Could you guys heat it up? Could you guys heat it up for me real quick? Could you guys reheat it for me real quick? It's a little bit undercooked. Would you guys be able to like reheat it for me real quick? The burger, the chicken patty. Oh no. Where you think you're going? You about to go in the fryer. It's a little bit undercooked. Would you be able to reheat it for me in the fryer, like toss it in the fryer, so that like you see it's still moving?
Seriously?
Yeah. The nigga a star. Y'all just don't know it yet. The nigga about to be a star. Look at him. Oh man, look how the nigga strike a pose. Look at the nigga struck a pose. Oh damn, the nigga. Alright, so what you want, nigga? You peck me, nigga. I'm gonna beat your ugly. I'm gonna turn you to fried chicken, nigga. Don't you dare peck me, nigga. How's it going? I know it's probably not your fault, but I just have a quick complaint. My girlfriend, she came to McDonald's real quick to order 2 chicken Big Macs. She ordered 2 chicken Big Macs, but one of them, I'm not sure if somebody's playing a prank on me or something, because like when I opened it, I opened it and then I seen like there was a bird in it. Yeah. I'm not sure. Yeah, I ordered a chicken Big Mac. Yeah.
It wasn't here. It was in the one in Flagler.
The one on Flagler? Which one is that? This is crazy.
No, it wasn't us.
It wasn't you
No,
guys?
we don't have chickens here.
Yeah, did they forget to like you guys make it live or something?
No.
You guys don't make it live?
We don't have anything to do with them. They're corporation or franchise.
Alright, so we just now leaving the McDonald's. Like she kept saying, oh, it's the Flagler one. Oh, it's the Flagler one. Like she was trying to put all the blame on them, like they known for like just having life. Just having animals just in their food just like that. Yo, the Flagler one probably has roaches. I'm low-key scared to go in there. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god! 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 What is that? 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 Wait, careful.
Found it in your food?
Yeah, like he just popped out of my food. I don't know what's going on. Huh? It probably no. Like I opened it and it was in there. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Yes, it was inside when I opened it. I'm not. I don't know what's going on. Like I opened. It was trying to get out. Oh, it's trying to get out. Oh, there's a chicken inside of here. Oh my god. Oh, I sat down to eat my food and like it was moving. I guess I'm gonna have to cook it. They gave it to me raw.
Puerto Rican, first thing, but she want the cushy.
Baba, oh, yeah, Maya.